side lying quad stretch and also rectus femoris stretch. So you are just lying on your side, grab the bottom leg, kind of bring it into the flexion, so almost like knee to the chest. You can secure it with the bottom hand. The top leg, you're just going to grab the ankle with your arm, and slowly you're just going to bring the knee backwards. This position of the bottom leg shouldn't be changing. You shouldn't be arching your back, and then from this position your heel might be touching the bum or might be somewhere close there. You're just going to drop the leg kind of towards the midline, just like this. Usually the common mistake I see is people kind of stretch it out over here and it doesn't target the outside, the vastus lateralis, so just the quad on your outside and also your TFL. So it's quite important just to be able to come all the way out and then try to kind of drop the knee towards the midline. You shouldn't be changing too much back position. There shouldn't be any arch, anything like that. If there is, you can still keep the knee slightly forward and just drop it down and just kind of play around in that position. If this position is a little bit too tight, too stiff for you, just to bring the knee there, you can just use the strap or some kind of towel which you just wrap around the ankle, which is going to help you just to reach kind of there and hold it in that position. So you will be able to focus on going a little bit further backwards with the knee, because the ankle is not as far close to your hip, close to your bum. What I usually recommend is, rather than just holding this for the time, just kind of going in and out of that position so that person gets used to stretching or loading that quad in a little bit more eccentrically, so kind of lengthening it. And so what you're trying to do is just kind of just build it up. You can hold it maybe for a few moments, just going forward, driving the knee, so it's more active motion rather than just passively cranking on that hip.